Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So today and yesterday we've been working on this 2019 VW Arteon. The Arteon is the 3H chassis. There is only one as far as we're aware. There's no facelift as yet. This customer has come all the way down from a long way away to have the genuine VW electric tailgate to be fitted. So when he turned up yesterday, the boot lid is heavy, awkward to open and more awkward to shut because it's quite high up and it's of course manual on telescopic rams. So what we have done is we have fitted the genuine Volkswagen kit, which is a module and a load of wiring and the electronic rams to go into the boot lid to make this kit work from a new button in the tailgate and also open and close from the key fob. So the closing of the key fob is an extra module, an extra coding, but this is what the customer wanted for complete ease of use and functionality. Not everyone will come from factory with that feature, it's an extra feature. So let me give you an example of what we've done. So here is the factory key fob. It doesn't need to be coded to the keys. You can just press the button, it'll work regardless. So if I press and hold the open button, the tailgate will now open. Tailgate's an American word. The boot lid will open, but it will now open on these electronic rams as such. They're both wired. It's such a heavy boot lid that we've got two wired in electronic replacement rams in here. And there in the boot lid itself is an audible buzzer, just to give you that warning. The tailgate lock and catch has been replaced, and also there's a new motor up inside here that tells the lock to open and shut, etc, etc. So once it's now coded in, you also have, as part of the factory specification, this button here. This button is lit up and ready to go, and once the tailgate or the boot lid is open, obviously you can just press the button like so and the boot lid will shut. Now this is a genuine kit, so you're not going to see any aftermarket equipment that's going to just jolt all the way down and jolt all the way up because it's not been parameterized or set for the weight. This is a genuine Volkswagen equipment, so once fitted will give you 2 years warranty for peace of mind. So at the same time, so let's go back to this one. If we open, just press and hold the unlock button. Now, like I said, ordinarily, for safety aspect, you would never be able to close by the key fob, just in case there's an animal or a child or somebody's arm or head stuck in there, but that's down to the user of the vehicle. What we've done is we have fitted a module that allows this comfort feature. So when I press and hold the button again, the boot lid will come all the way down and soft close latch, which is part of the feature anyway. So if you ordered this from the factory from Volkswagen, ordinarily you would get a button in the driver's door card. We don't fit this because it's not always available through our supplier, but we can fit this, and we have on some occasions found that the button actually doesn't work because it talks to the door module in the driver's door. So we don't normally quote for it, but it can be fitted on certain models. This particular model hasn't got it. We've just got the button in the boot lid and we've got the open and close. So this is a VW Arteon 2019, that's a 3H model, and we have just fitted the genuine Volkswagen electric tailgate. Now, those of you watching this video, you can probably see, if you're eagle-eyed, I've got a Motorhome Retrofits t-shirt on, and that's because even though we're doing video for Advanced in Car, we do lots of work for our other sister company, Motorhome Retrofits. So if you haven't already subscribed to that YouTube channel, it might not be your thing, but go over there and have a look, because we're always doing upgrades and all sorts of bits and pieces to some motorhomes. So go and have a look at that and subscribe if you don't mind. But in the meantime, we will be posting this video and any other upgrades that we do on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want this done, has to be done down here in Poole in Dorset in our workshop, but get in touch and we can give you a quote. Thanks for watching.